Hi, today I'm going to take you on a little tour of Voicethread, a collaborative tool that will help engage your students in any area of the curriculum that you choose to use it. When you first get to the Voicethread.com page, this is what you'll see, and you'll notice up here is where you sign in or register. Before we do that, I'm going to just take you down here and look at the collaboration solutions, the business model, the pro, the higher ed, and the K through 12. I'm just going to take a little look at the K through 12 to show you what is available here. You can get a single user account, a school subscription, and so on. A single educator account is one like this through education.edu.voicethread.com. And what this is what I have, is $60 a year for 100 student accounts. So you're not allowed to use more than one teacher account, as it says up here. Where is that? Well, anyway, you have to have a school account. You're not allowed to just have multiple teachers get multiple class accounts. However, in our situation where you have a class subscription of 100, now you can create groups within Voicethread, so you can still get one classroom subscription and just divide it into groups, and those little groups are actually your specific classes. If your numbers are small enough, this works well and is legal. So that's what I choose to do. It's well worth the money, the $60 a year to do this. It's an excellent tool, as I hope you'll see. Down here it gives you the different feature breakdowns and tells you some of the things you'll be able to do. And to me, the most valuable one is that student accounts, they have their own accounts, so they're working in their own account, and it's a secure and accountable environment. We can have just our own school see what we make. We can choose the level of our sharing as far as being out there just totally on the web for anybody to see. And I think that's important, so I choose to do it that way. I set up groups for my different classes. So that works well for me. I just wanted to show that to you. Then if we go back into the registration area, and if you want to sign up, you don't have to pay $60, but when you register, you're actually just setting up a new account. You're setting up an account just as an individual, and it's very limited because you will only be able to create a couple of voice threads. I almost think it's 3 or 4 of them. So you definitely will want to get a classroom account if you think this is the tool for you. I'm going to just go ahead and sign in as my other account so it will look just like yours if you are doing this for the first time. And once you sign in, you can see up here I already am signed in, so I can go to browse other voice threads. And the first thing I would do when you get into browsing the other voice threads, I would take a read through this What's a Voice Thread section. It is a basic description of this and some samples of how they can be used in the classroom. And then you have many, many different voice threads that you can look through and see how the different people have used them in different areas. Here's the 3rd grade poetry collection. That's excellent. There's some excellent Civil War things. You can see there's math strategies where students can talk through a math problem and other people can collaborate with them. It's just amazing. Video doodling. Let's go up here out of the general browse into My Voice. This will be just the voice threads in my own account, and I haven't created any yet, but everyone gets these voice threads so that they can learn how to set up a microphone, use the video doodling tool, and the various other things. This is a good one for you to watch, making a voice thread in 1 minute. So these things are all under My Voice. Browse is where you browse and take a look at the things other people have created. And finally, when you're ready to create, hit the Create tab, and then this is where you will go to upload your comment. And I'm just going to show you, rather than upload my own, I'm going to show you one. You click on, if it's on your computer, you just navigate to what you want to upload. It could be a video, it could be a piece of artwork someone's done that you've scanned into your computer. It could be text, it could be an image, it could be what I like to do is I like to take primary source images and have kids discuss them. Endless possibilities. I'm just going to pull up one example quickly here. This teacher made one, she said, just to see some of the things you can do with a VoiceThread. So here's her VoiceThread. You can zoom in and zoom out on her butterfly here. We can see that she has some comments.
This VoiceThread is an example of what you can
I don't know if you can hear it, but she is
to make it a little bit more
talking about what the VoiceThread is.
Because all my students don't have separate accounts and they're all
Someone else commenting on her VoiceThread. All of these little icons on the side are your icons, your avatars when you comment on someone's VoiceThread. And this is what makes this particular utility unique, is the way that you can comment on the VoiceThread. I grade my kids' VoiceThreads orally this way, talk to them about their VoiceThread and what they've done, and actually give them their grade through this. I have my students comment on each other's work, and they are responsible for creating a VoiceThread on something, and then they also have to go out and post 2 thoughtful comments on other people's VoiceThreads. So she's got a picture she incorporated in here, and if I wanted to comment, I simply hit comment. I can use my telephone to record a message. I could record a video message through my voice webcam. I can record through a microphone if I click here. If you have a Mac, you've got your microphone built in. Otherwise, if you have a PC and you get a external microphone, you'll need to have that plugged in and ready to go. You can type on the keyboard. Many ways to enter a comment. And you can see that she also included a link. It is possible to have a link to other things on the VoiceThread. And I just lost her Butterfly Creek link here. Where did it go? I want to get rid of this magnifying glass. There it is, Butterfly Creek. If I go there, this actually takes me to a website that talks about animal preservation. She's got another slide, and if we would listen, she describes the flowers. And finally another slide with a science experiment her son has done and some flowers and butterflies together. So she's using images and connecting to a website and using the recording tool to talk about her work and explain things to you. Okay, so just kind of a neat example there for you to take a look at. I hope that you enjoy working in VoiceThread. It is one of my very favorite tools of all the Web 2.0 tools. It has been around for quite a few years already, and it's in every top 10 list that comes out faithfully, usually in the top even 5 or 3 every year. So it is well used and well respected in the community. You are going to be able to create a VoiceThread and share it with us during this lesson, and I hope that you greatly enjoy doing that.